hirit, serbisyong totoo ang lakas lang ng hirit. Ang saya-saya.
Alright, Yonghi, what's up mga kapuso? Nandito pa rin po tayo sa Binondo para i-celebrate ang Chinese New Year at kasama po natin yung mga Filipino-Chinese community mag-celebrate ang Phil-Am Life. Kaya kasama ko po ngayon ang SVP and Head of Marketing ng Phil-Am Life. Walang iba kundi si Miss Iska Abaya. Good morning, Miss Iska! Yonghi!
Yonghi, what's
Yonghi, what's up? Chinese ka na. Okay, so, Miss Iska, ano ba ang good life ngayon? Kumbaga, celebrate good plan ng Phil-Am Life.
Yes, today it's a very special day. Phil-Am Life is here to celebrate the Chinese New Year.
Yes.
We earlier had the eye-dotting ceremony and now we're having the dragon and lion dance.
Ano po ba ang eye-dotting ceremony?
Eye-dotting ceremony, because at the beginning of the year, the dragon is asleep.
Yes.
And so you actually do the eye-dotting ceremony to wake up the dragon, to ward off evil spirits daw, and to bring in good fortune.
Oo nga, kailangan talaga swertehin. Di ba?
Yes.
Importante ang good luck. Pero syempre, importante rin na may plano ka.
Tama ka dyan. Especially for our mga kapusong Filipino-Chinese, hindi lang pwedeng good fortune and prosperity. Kailangan din merong tamang plano para magkatotoo ang kanilang mga pangarap.
Oo nga, marami dyan. Syempre, lahat tayo may pangarap, di ba?
Yes.
That's
And-
good. So, you mentioned Filipino-Chinese,
Yes.
particularly.
Yes, yes. Kasi nga, Chinese New Year ngayon, tapos Phil-Am Life is going to launch 3 new products specifically designed for our Filipino-Chinese kapuso.
Well, I feel so special. Pero bago
Yes,
yan,
para
ha?
sa'yo, para
Oo
sa'yo.
nga. So, ano mga produkto ito?
Yung una-una, meron tayong Bright Future Plus. It's an education and life insurance plan in one para sa ating mga Filipino-Chinese parents who dream of sending their children abroad to study Mandarin
Yes.
or advanced studies.
Wow, okay. So, pang Chinese talaga siya.
Pang Chinese talaga siya.
Oh, that's great. So, nakaka-relate talaga yung mga tao dyan, mga kapuso ko, mga Chinoy. So, ano pa po ba ibang mga produkto na pwede sa mga anak?
Yes. Again, specific to the dreams of Filipino-Chinese, marami dyan gusto magkaroon ng sariling negosyo.
Yes.
Alam mo naman, Chinese, very entrepreneurial, very business-minded.
Bata pala, tinitrain na yung mga bata.
Exactly. So meron kaming Bounty, which is a savings and life insurance plan in one. Basically, this helps parents build up enough capital for their children para magkanegosyo sila someday.
Uy, maganda yan. Talagang pinaplano mo na, hindi lang buhay mo, kundi buhay ng anak mo.
Exactly, exactly.
Wow. So, kailangan lahat tayo prosperous, lahat tayo masaya.
Yes, yes.
Thank you very much, Miss
Meron
Iska.
pa isa, longevity. Longevity naman is also a savings and life insurance plan in one that helps parents, kumbaga pagdating ng panahon, kakasal yung kanilang mga anak, we will help them with their dowry and then engagement. So, talagang pang Chinese talaga.
Oh yeah, importante talaga kasi engagement sa mga Chinoys like
Yes,
us.
yes.
Naku, thank you very much, Miss Iska.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you, and we will be prosperous the whole year, di ba? Make them happen with Phil-Am Life. Okay, mga kapuso, dyan lang po kayo balik agad mo ng hirit.
Ng hirit.